Welcome to the world of certified roof and inspection. Your local roofing contractor right here in Stockton, California. When it comes to new roofs, roof repairs, or even a roof inspection, our team is ready to serve with a friendly smile. Our roots run deep in Stockton. We're not an out-of-town contractor posing as a local company. We've been part of this community for over 20 years, building a reputation as a trusted roofing professional. In fact, for 5 years, we served as a consumer advocate for the California State License Board as a roofing industry expert. That's not just a title. It's a testament to our dedication to quality and customer service. So when you need a roofer, remember, certified roof and inspection is only a call away. Reach us at 800-409-4910. Or if you prefer, you can find us on the web at www.roofcertified.com. We're right here in Stockton, ready to serve. That's Certified Roof and Inspection, your local Stockton roofing contractor. We're looking forward to working with you.